Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message for everyone on Messenger chat on PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily manage your messages and ensure that they are deleted for all participants in the conversation. Step 1. Start by opening Messenger.com on your PC to access your Messenger account and conversations. Step 2. Open the conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Step 3. Hover over the message that you'd like to remove and click on More, then select Remove from the drop-down menu. Step 4. After selecting Remove, click on Unsend for everyone to indicate that you want to delete the message for all participants in the chat. Step 5. Finally, click on Remove to confirm and permanently delete the message for everyone in the conversation. By following these steps, you can easily delete a message for everyone on Messenger chat on your PC. Ensuring that messages are removed for all participants helps maintain privacy and control over your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively manage your messages and delete them for everyone in the chat on Messenger on PC. Enjoy a more secure and private messaging experience by utilizing the Unsend for Everyone feature in Messenger.